we often tell our kids, para sa inyo to. Pero hindi yun yung currency ng kids eh. The currency of kids are time and attention. Diba? You play with them. It doesn't matter kung, alam mo yun, kumikita ka ng million monthly or even billions. It doesn't matter to them. What matters is being present. To me, that's what really an abundant life is.
Alam natin sa abundance is super life ng mga superhero. If you guys have the power of any superhero or if magiging superhero ka, sino at bakit yung superhero ka?
Professor X. So, apart from receiving hairline, sa akin na lang kasi, yung personality ko is to empower others. I really love seeing people na they grow from how you've met them and then you empower them to their next level in any aspect of their lives.
As a coach, anong unang limiting belief yung tapos ng galing niya sa mga estudyante?
Believe that I need to please other people. The need to look good, the need to look right, and people pleasing. Personally, yun yung isa sa mga nabasag sa akin sa appointments. And doon ko na-realize na all this time, ako lang din pala yung nagsasabotage sa success ko. All this time, I'm blaming these people, I'm blaming these circumstances, but at the end of the day, it's all me. I can tell you how good simulation is. Diba? Parang pwede ko ikwento sa'yo all day, every day of the week, pero until ma-experience mo siya yourself, that's the time na malalaman mo kung masarap ka talaga siya wala. So,
Ayan!
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
everyone!
much! And see you in abundance!
guys, ang sarap ng food.
Thank you for your time, coaches. See you